I'm grateful for your contribution to our growth and improvements in the past year.
We extend appreciation for the collaborative efforts that made 2023 a grand success.
Thank you for your partnership in 2023. Together, we achieved growth and success.
Thank you for being instrumental in helping us be better. Your support is invaluable.
Our valued customers are essential for our success, and I deeply appreciate them.
As we welcome the new year, thank you for your dedication, loyalty, and positive impact on our team. Wishing you a joyful new year ahead.
I thank you very much for your continued support throughout the year.
May the coming year bring more collaborative efforts, shared victories, and growth for us all.
While I reflect on the past year, I eagerly await the opportunities and challenges that the upcoming year will bring.
Your consistent commitment is the core of our relationship and we truly value it.
Let's start an amazing journey in 2024, filled with successes and milestones we achieved together.